I didn't even believe myself. I was like, what? 2 products? Are you really gonna do that, Diana? 2 products? And I did, and holy crap. With a trusty conditioner and a good gel, you got your match made in heaven. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a curly hair routine. I haven't done a curly hair routine in a very long time. Last time I did a curly hair routine, my hair was blonde. Now my hair is black, back to the original color. So I actually have something funky going on with my hair. If you don't care about what's going on with my hair, you can go ahead. I'll put a timestamp. Before you go to the tutorial, make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. I do post there. And also make sure you subscribe before you go. Okay, so my hair. My hair is actually recovering from damage. I bleached my whole head, and now here down is all bleach damage, and the back too is also, there's bleach damage, and then the top up is my natural healthy hair, non-bleached. So it's been kind of a while for me to grow out my hair, and it honestly takes a lot for me to maintain my hair. I thought it would be really cool to do a tutorial where I am showing you what I'm doing while I'm transitioning, and I only used 2 products, which is insane because if you watch any of my curly hair tutorials, you know that I always use at least 3-4 products. But this time I only used 2. It's really impressive because as a curly girl, you know, there's always so many steps. So the simpler the routine, the better. As long as I'm using a good conditioner and then a good gel, I'm good to go. So that is what we have here. And I am so, what did I say, like that here, excited to share you my curly hair routine because look at these curls. Like, oh my god, like they're so defined. I mean, if you saw my bleached curly hair routine, you obviously knew that I was struggling with definition and just my curls being in place. Like, it was just mostly frizzy. My hair is already naturally frizzy, but the bleach on top of that just made it even more frizzy. So if you want to get defined curls, if you want to have your curls hydrated and soft, because my curls right now are literally soft. Like, they literally feel like a pillow, like somebody could just lay on them. Like, I can't believe that they're this soft and this defined. Like, I'm sorry, I'm just as blown away with these results. So I really hope that they work for you. But if you can see, obviously we've got some curl definition going on. Hey everyone, so for today's video, we're doing a curly hair routine. And as you can tell, I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Repair Conditioner. I love this conditioner because it's so thick, but at the same time it has a lot of slip, so I can easily detangle my hair. This product is like a very good all-in-one for me. I'm using my 9-row Denman brush. So to get best results with your Denman brush, I would suggest getting a 9-row or the most rows that they have, because it makes your curls like more clumped, and it kind of just makes your hair a little curlier. I've noticed that my hair is more defined with a 9-row as opposed to it's more defined with a 9-row as opposed to a 7-row. And I scrunch my hair because I am transitioning, so I just try to encourage the curl. And then I'm using my Curly Magic stimulator. I only use 2 freaking products for this hair routine. Can you believe it? I always have to use like 3 or 4 products for my thick hair to be defined and not frizzy. But I've kind of been finding that less is more. I have to make sure my hair is drenched and wet when I style my hair and put conditioner in it. It just helps detangle and it helps retain the product better than if it was just kind of damp or dry. I love this conditioner so much. I highly recommend it because I feel like it moisturizes, it keeps away frizz, it detangles, and it repairs the curls like it says that it's supposed to. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It's a regular conditioner, but I use it as a leave-in. So as you can see, to get best results, you can see I'm like using the Denman brush in certain parts. So you're going to want to make sure that you use the Denman brush on just little parts and do sections. You don't have to do them like part them. I didn't part my sections. I just kind of took sections of my hair and combed it thoroughly with the Denman brush, and then I just scrunch it all up with some gel. The Curly Magic gel is honestly amazing because it's thin, but it also has slip, and it has a lot of good ingredients, but it holds so well. Like, look at like how good my curls look, and then look at that side. It's like so nappy and knotted. The conditioner really helps fight against that, and then the Magic Stimulator just really holds everything in place. I honestly love this combo. My hair feels like clouds. Like, it feels so soft, but there's still a lot of hold, and I'm able to get frizz-free curls with volume and definition. So I'm really excited that my routine came out the way that it did, because I've been having some trouble with my hair since I've been transitioning. So I have like 2 different textures. I'm just trying to find what works for me. And now I'm just going to diffuse. I find that when I diffuse my hair with warm or hot air, it just diffuses faster and it keeps my curls locked in place with these 2 products. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed, and my curls feel so soft. And this gel gives me 3-4 day curls with great definition. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see. If you like any of the products that I talked about, if you've never tried any of the products, if you end up using the products, just let me know. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know what you want to see, and take care, guys.